this is Scarlet Gallery from Vincent Music. Today we're going to look at your scales and we're going to try doing them with different bowings so that you get really used to dividing the bow really well and also so you can practice your scales in a more fun way. So the first one we'll do, let's do G major scale. Let's just play it once completely normally, normal bowings. Try and use as much bow as you can. So play with me, 3, 4. Good, so for that scale, don't forget there are low 2s on the A string and on the E string. Now, the first bowing we're going to do, I'm just going to move the chair over so you can see properly. The first bowing we're going to do is stop, stop. 2 in a bow. So we're going to stop the bow halfway and then go the rest of the way. So dividing the bow into half. So in your G major scale, we're going to do 2 stops on each note. Okay, I want you to try it with me. Bow at the heel, I'm going to stop in the middle, then stop at the tip. Ready, go. Okay, on the way down, I want you to double check every time you stop that your bow is straight. So let's do 1 stop. Okay, I want you to check here. Is your bow straight or is it going out that way or that way? Then check again. Is it straight or is it going to the side? Okay, let's go from the top to the bottom. The next one is like that, but a little bit harder. Because instead of doing 2 stops, we have to do 4 stops. So each stop is going to be about a quarter of the bow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So an easy way to check this is after 2 stops, stop, which will be right in the middle of the bow. So play with me. Stop, middle, and tip. And again, up bow, stop, should be in the middle, stop, and back to the heel. So let's just do the way up, otherwise we're going to run out of time. you know what comes after that? We could do 6 or we could do 8. I want you to try both this week, but we're going to skip straight to 8. So now we're dividing the bow into 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, then we should be halfway. 5, 6, 7, 8. They're going to be really short bows. You ready to try playing with me? Good, we'll keep going all the way to the top and back to the bottom. So I want you to try this with all your scales. You don't have to always do 2, 4, then 8 on every scale, but try and mix and match. So maybe you'll do 2 stops on G major, and maybe you'll do 4 stops on an A major, and then 8 on another scale. So you can choose what sort of stops you want to do on each scale. But I hope you have fun experimenting, see how many you can get into one bow, and you can let me know next week. I'll see you then.